Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make Bhuni Seviyan. For this recipe you would need 1 1/4 packet, which is about 200 grams of vermicelli. Then add the green cardamom. Fry a little bit until fragrant. Then add the vermicelli and mix until it changes color to dark golden. Mix constantly and observe the color, otherwise they can burn quickly. So now that the color has changed, pour the sugar syrup on top of the Vermicelli Seviyan. Lower the heat and cook until the water is dried. Cover during this time. Make sure the heat is on low to medium. If it is on high, they will burn. Next, add a little bit of heavy cream. Then add the coconut, almond, and raisins mix. Cover and cook on low heat for a few minutes. Make sure that it's on very low heat. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye now.